Hi! In front of me is Realme C31 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on security. Then tap on screen lock and pick one of those login methods by tapping on the best one for you. Swipe pattern, pin or password. I will go with pattern, so now I have to draw it. Choose next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and select confirm. Over here you need to choose how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. I don't want any, so I will go with don't show notifications at all. Tap on done at the bottom right corner and click home button. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!